I gonna love you long time, yeah, long time. I gonna love you long time. Oh.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your guest, Maya Diamonds, and I'm back here with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on so you miss anything I post. And also, needs to be part of Diamond Squad. Go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go ahead and watch my recent videos. My recent videos will be up in the cards if you have not checked them out yet. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and all that good stuff. So today I am going to be doing a review on a brand called Melody Love Cosmetics. Sorry. So I didn't take it out the box yet because I just like the way they packaged this. Like, look how they packaged it. You got these little stars and these things. I mean stars. I am taking things. These hearts and these things. And you got the business card and another bigger business card. And then, whoops, the receipt. So I thought that was pretty nice. How they decorated the box and everything. So I'm gonna just move this out of the way. Okay. Oh, and she put in here a free gloss. Strawberry. I'm thinking this is probably one of those small-owned businesses then, because I really like that. Let me smell this, matter of fact. Smells like strawberries. Okay, so basically, yeah, it smells like strawberries, and it has like those strawberry things on it, so really appreciate that. So here's a palette. I picked up their piano palette, which is called the Baby Grand palette on this type. So yeah, I thought this was pretty. They do have a guitar palette and a boombox palette as well. So in case you don't know, this palette is like involves around like musical instrument type of things, like basically music things. So I thought that was pretty cool. I am planning to get the guitar palette as well. So yeah, and this has talc and mica in it, so it's cruelty free. I always point out if a palette has talc and mica in it, by the way. And my hair is looking bad. I'm going to be taking these off soon because they're not looking so good at all. Like, it's looking a mess in the back and all that stuff. But, yeah. So here is the palette. Really pretty. It's not really sticking as well in the back. Oh yeah, and this is slides, basically. And then you have like a mirror right here. Oh. These are shades, but a lot of my shades look like they've been used. I'm not saying that they've been used, but I don't know if the carrier just didn't really take care of the package that well. Because the brown shade looks a bit, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the brown shade looks like, okay. I don't think it's been used. I just think it's the way that the carrier, was. Yeah, okay, yes. I've had this happen to me before in other palettes where I got it, and I'm just like, what happened here? Let me just inspect a little bit. Okay, so I like the names, honestly. Look at the names. Look how unique the names are. Alright, so I'm gonna swatch. Oh, so Full Moon is like a white shimmer, but it has like a shift of purple and blue to it, which that is absolutely beautiful. Y'all can't really tell from this side. If I was more by the window, you'll be able to tell. But today I just felt like recording over here. Oh, the red is kind of tough. Okay, this one's called Love. really nice and pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna swatch some black because I like to swatch black shade in the palette because I like a really nice pigmented black eyeshadow. So that swatched pretty nicely. So therefore, it is very pigmented. And I'm going to swatch Lady in Red. Oh, I like that. I never had a red eyeshadow called that, but this is a look right here. I mean, this is giving me Koala DeVille vibes right here. I'm gonna swatch one more shade. I'm gonna swatch Trophy. Look how pretty that is. Oh, the lighting is so bad right now. So, maybe I should swatch like one more. Let me get the green. Yeah, the green. This green is called Green Light. Okay. Okay, so there's the green. So I'm basically going to create a look with this. I don't know what I'm going to really go for yet, but I'll think of something. And then I'll come back and let you guys know how the palette is and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so I am pretty much done with the whole eye look. So I went ahead and used the Orange Skies all over my lids. And then I used Raspberry Jam on my crease. I used Keys, as you can see right here. I was standing by the window so you can see like a better lighting of this. Because right now, I don't even know if I can really see this, but anyways, I did that. And then I used Gold Dust right here. I think I'm gonna use Full Moon in the corner. I know this shade doesn't really go with the look, but I really just wanted to use, Full Moon. Okay, and then for highlighter, I use Trophies, and it makes a great highlighter. I really love it. So overall, I think this palette is really good. Like, it's very pigmented. It blends really nicely. It does have a little fallout in the palette when you dip your brush into there. So I would say dip your brush in there lightly. So now I'm just gonna try out this. Oh, and this palette I got on sale for $25. So I don't know if it's still on sale right now. So there's glitter in there. And the gloss is pretty. Yeah, the gloss is pretty. It's a clear cotton gloss. And I love that, but I'm gonna put my lipstick for this look, because usually for bold looks like I like to put lipstick on. So this is the Juvia's Place lipstick. This is from the Berries collection. This is the color Rouge. Why am I lighting look so dark right now? Like, okay. Let me just see how this color goes. I don't know if I like this color right there. Maybe I'll go. I hate that I keep using like my brown lipsticks because it's like I hardly get around to my other lipsticks because I just feel like the browns just go well with everything. But I'm gonna just put that on. Then when I put that on, I'm just gonna come by the window so you guys can see, it better. Okay, guys. So here is the final look. So basically that Rouge shade, I mixed it with the Toffee shade from Juvia's Place. The other Juvia's Place lipstick, I mean. So it made a nice color combo together. So yeah, this is how it looks like. With the highlight, everything, and all that good stuff. I used the Fenty Beauty mascara, the NYX eyeliner. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this look. I would say try out the palette if you haven't. The palette is really nice, really pigmented. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you, click the notification if you haven't. Follow me on my social medias and description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part of my life.